Hey, welcome to the video. In this one, I'll be showing you how to make the Aviation cocktail. It's one of my absolute favorites and I just had to share it with you. Let's get this started. The Aviation has great complex flavor, but as you can see, only 4 ingredients. And we'll start off with 3/4 of an ounce of fresh squeezed lemon juice. Next is half an ounce of Creme de Violette. This cocktail is honestly the only reason that I bought this liqueur in the first place. But as I was making this video, I got to thinking, there have to be more great cocktails that I could use this in. So if this sounds like an interesting idea to you too, please subscribe, because I plan on making a video about this pretty soon. In the meantime, you can watch my other cocktail and cooking tutorials. I'm putting out new content every single week. But watch this video first, I don't want you missing out on this. Our next ingredient is half an ounce of Maraschino liqueur. The flavors of these 2 liqueurs work so well with the gin, which brings us right into our last ingredient, 2 ounces of London dry gin. The brand I used here is called Sipsmith. This was my first time trying it, but I thought it was really good and worked very well with this cocktail. Alright, so now that all of the ingredients are in, I'm gonna go ahead and fill my large shaker tin with ice. Next, I'll take the cocktail, pour it on top of the ice, and shake for about 10 seconds. Alright, now we're at the home stretch. I place my strainer on top of the shaker tin and pour the cocktail out into a coupe glass. Now if you want to remove all of the ice chips from the cocktail, I suggest that you double strain this. It's overall better for the presentation and you also don't end up chewing on any ice. But if you're at home by yourself like I am right now, it doesn't matter so much. And now the final step is to garnish. I take 1 Luxardo cherry and put it into the bottom of the cocktail. Along with a lemon twist that I trimmed earlier to make it look all fancy. Just go ahead and drop that in as well. And that's all there is to it. It's a great purple color with flavors that are guaranteed to impress. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you're interested in seeing more of these in the future. I would really appreciate it. And I will see you in the next one.